Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and curious minds! Have you ever wondered what that cylindrical thing under your sink is? Or maybe you've heard the term pipe thrown around, but never really understood what it means. Well, you're in for a treat because today we're diving deep into the world of pipes. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about pipes. From their basic definition to their various uses, we've got you covered. So unravel the mystery of pipes together. First things first, what exactly is a pipe? Simply put, a pipe is a hollow cylinder used to transport fluids or gases from one place to another. Think of it as a long, tubular highway for liquids and gases. Pipes come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny ones in your computer to massive ones that transport oil across continents. Now, let's talk about the history of pipes. Believe it or not, pipes have been around for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Romans used lead pipes to transport water. Of course, we now know that lead isn't the safest material, but it was a start. Moving on to modern times, pipes are made from various materials. We have copper pipes, often used in plumbing for their durability and resistance to corrosion. PVC pipes are popular for their affordability and ease of installation. Steel pipes are known for their strength and are commonly used in industrial settings. Let's take a closer look at some common types of pipes you might encounter in your daily life. First up, we have water pipes. These are the unsung heroes that bring clean water right to your taps. They're usually made of copper, PVC, or cross-linked polyethylene. Next, we have gas pipes. These are crucial for delivering natural gas to our homes for heating and cooking. Gas pipes are typically made of steel or polyethylene for safety reasons. Don't forget about sewer pipes. While not the most glamorous, they play a vital role in keeping our environment clean. These pipes are often made of PVC or cast iron. Now, let's talk about the anatomy of a pipe. A typical pipe consists of several parts. The wall is the main body of the pipe. The bore is the hollow inside where fluids or gases flow. Fittings are used to connect pipes or change their direction. Valves control the flow within the pipe. Speaking of flow, did you know that the size of a pipe affects how fluids move through it? It's all about something called fluid dynamics. Smaller pipes create more pressure, while larger pipes allow for greater volume. This is why fire hydrants have such large pipes. They need to deliver a lot of water quickly. Let's discuss some interesting pipe applications you might not have thought about. In the world of music, pipes are essential for many instruments. Organs, for example, use a complex system of pipes to create their powerful sound. Even some wind instruments like flutes and recorders are essentially sophisticated pipes. In the realm of technology, pipes play a crucial role too. Computer cooling systems often use small pipes filled with liquid to keep components from overheating. In data centers, pipes are used to circulate cool air and maintain optimal temperatures for servers. Now, let's talk about pipe maintenance. Regular inspection is key to preventing leaks and other issues. For home plumbing, check for signs of corrosion or mineral buildup. In industrial settings, techniques like ultrasonic testing are used to check pipe integrity. Here's a fun fact. The world's longest pipe is the West-East Gas Pipeline in China. It stretches over 8,700 kilometers, delivering natural gas across the country. Let's not forget about the environmental impact of pipes. While they're essential for modern life, damaged or leaky pipes can waste resources and cause pollution. That's why innovations in pipe technology are so important. For example, smart pipes with built-in sensors can detect leaks early, saving water and preventing damage. Now you might be wondering, how are pipes made? The process varies depending on the material, but generally involves extrusion or casting. For metal pipes, molten material is forced through a die to create the desired shape. Plastic pipes are often made by heating and shaping plastic pellets. Here's a question for you. Have you ever heard of pipe dreams? This phrase actually comes from the hallucinations experienced by opium smokers using long pipes. Today, we use it to describe unrealistic or fanciful ideas. Isn't it interesting how pipes have influenced our language? Let's talk about some common pipe problems and how to solve them. Leaks are probably the most frequent issue. Small leaks can often be fixed with pipe tape or epoxy. For larger problems, it's best to call a professional plumber. Frozen pipes are another common problem in cold climates. To prevent this, insulate your pipes and let faucets drip during extremely cold weather. Did you know that pipes aren't just for transporting fluids and gases? In some innovative building designs, large pipes are being repurposed as eco-friendly homes. These pipe houses are compact, durable, and can be stacked to create unique living spaces. As we wrap up, let's consider the future of pipes. Scientists are working on self-healing pipes that can repair small cracks on their own. There's also research into using advanced materials like graphene to create stronger, more efficient pipes. Who knows what other pipe innovations we'll see in the coming years? Well, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the world of pipes. From ancient aqueducts to modern smart pipes, these simple cylinders have shaped our world in countless ways. Next time you turn on a faucet or hear music from an organ, you'll have a new appreciation for the humble pipe. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like this. And hey, why not leave a comment telling us about the most interesting pipe you've ever seen? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.